Welcome to my channel. DIY home improvement videos with humor. I hope you enjoy. If you do, please subscribe and share. Here's a brief preview of my videos.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard.
Good morning. Ooh, it's very hot.
No, I'm just getting warmed up.
Okay, so now all I can say is
I don't know.
They're just down in the basement.
I'm gonna tell you what, these are some very, very nice, ready to assemble cabinets. In fact, you know, they're not made of chipboard. That's solid plywood right there, if you can use the expression solid and plywood. But yeah, solid plywood. And you saw the dovetail joints on the drawer, and then now you've got, well, I don't have a handle on it here, but so it's a soft close drawer. Do that again. Ooh. And of course you've got a shelf in there, and then you've got a soft close door. So very nice finish, shaker style. And I tell you what, this is I'm impressed with these cabinets. Of course, I made a mistake putting them together, but then again, you know, you really got to read the directions. So that's one cabinet down. I've got 5 more to go. This video's quote of the day comes from the legendary Alabama Crimson Tide football coach, Paul Bear Bryant. He said, "If you believe in yourself and have dedication and pride and never quit, you'll be a winner. The price of victory is high, but so are the rewards." Paul Bear Bryant, quote of the day. Hello, YouTubers. I spent the entire day yesterday putting together all, let's see, day before yesterday, I got 2 of the cabinets together. And then yesterday I spent on 4 cabinets. And out of the 4 cabinets, 3 of them were the 18-inch 3 drawers, and putting the drawers together was very time consuming. But again, I'm not going to, I'm not sponsored by Home Depot, but this is what I bought. This is ready to assemble. And that there's the Shaker Alpine White cabinets. I've got 3 18-inch with drawers, and I've got 1 24-inch with a door and a drawer, and then 1 12-inch with a door and a drawer, and of course a sink base. And all these together, I think was less than $1,500. Now that sounds like a lot, but again, these are very well made. These are very well made. I'm very impressed with these. I only had an issue with one in the beginning. That's only because I didn't read the directions. How unusual. But so I put these together. But today I was going to actually get. I'll go back. I'm making you dizzy, I know. I was going to get to the sheetrock for this wall, so that way I can actually start placing these cabinets. Once I got the sheetrock up, I can start actually placing these cabinets. But raining today, do not want to put sheetrock in my truck with rain. So I've been reevaluating. So today, I'm going to work on the shower drain. That's one of the options, one of the things I'm doing. And that's at the end. So I don't know if I'll get it today or not. But the other thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be installing a new ventilation fan for the bathroom. And I'm also going to be installing some the switches for both the fan, the overhead light, or the light over the vanity. And so that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to be doing some sheetrock cutting. So it's like a combination of a lot of different things. In reference to the ventilation fan, I was originally going to move it to be closer or more centralized in the bathroom, but since that original vent had a vent outside to the exterior, I decided to keep it in the same place. Plus, it's pretty well centralized right over the toilet, which we all know that a fan over the toilet is very good.
Sunny days caress our skin.
Just a quick reminder that I am not an electrician. Although I do play one on YouTube, as you're watching right now. Your best bet always to consult with a qualified electrician before starting any electrical work. Thank you for watching, and God bless.